Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the best large Ziploc bag on the market, the CLEARWARE 12 large plastic bags with zipper top. These bags aren't just big, they're incredibly versatile, durable, and perfect for all your storage needs. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable solution to organize your home, travel, or even move, this product might be exactly what you need. Let's dive into the details. First off, these are 3-gallon bags, measuring 16 inches by 18 inches, which gives you plenty of space to store and organize a wide range of items. Whether you're looking to store clothes, bedding, seasonal decorations, or even large freezer items like meats, these bags have you covered. The size is perfect for almost anything you need to pack, and with a sturdy zip-top closure, you won't have to worry about spills or items falling out. Now, let's talk about the quality. These bags are made of heavy-duty, 2mm thick, BPA-free plastic, which makes them not only durable but also safe for food storage. Whether you're using them for household items or for travel, the strong material will ensure that your items are secure and protected from dust, moisture, or dirt. The bags are clear, so you can easily see what's inside without having to open them. This makes finding your items quick and easy, and it also helps you stay organized. One of the best things about these bags is their versatility. You can use them anywhere, in the closet, garage, RV, luggage, or even while moving. If you're a frequent traveler, these bags are a game changer when it comes to packing. Not only are they great for clothes, but they're also perfect for storing toiletries, shoes, or other travel essentials. And the best part? They're reusable, so you can use them again and again without worrying about wear and tear. As a bonus, the zip-top closure is leak-proof, which means you can store liquids without any risk of spills. This is especially useful for people who like to keep their bags in the car or take them on trips. Plus, because they're made of waterproof plastic, you can use them for both dry and wet items without any issue. When it comes to price, these bags are an incredible value. For just under $10, you get 12 bags, which is a great deal considering their quality and versatility. They're not only perfect for everyday storage but also an excellent option for moving. The ability to quickly and easily organize your items into these bags will make packing and unpacking much less stressful. To wrap it up, the CLEARWARE 12 large plastic bags with zipper top are a must-have for anyone looking for a durable, affordable, and versatile storage solution. Whether you're packing for a trip, storing seasonal items, or organizing your home, these bags will make your life a lot easier. So, if you're in need of a reliable storage solution, click the link in the description below and grab your set today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews.